Back in 2005, YouTube was just a startup, a small video sharing site with big dreams. Fast forward to today, and it's a global giant with over 2 billion users. But there's a unique symbol of success every creator dreams of: the YouTube silver play button. It's more than just a shiny plaque. It's a crafted piece of recognition, a blend of art and technology. Ever wondered how this prestigious award is made, from raw materials to your wall? Stick around as we unravel the secrets behind its creation. The YouTube silver play button isn't just a plaque, it's a badge of honor. Designed to celebrate creators reaching 100,000 subscribers, it represents a milestone in the journey of every YouTuber. But how did it all start? The idea was born from a need to encourage and motivate content creators. Back in 2012, YouTube decided to honor creators who built large, loyal followings. The silver play button was introduced, symbolizing achievement and dedication. Designing the button. Creating the silver play button starts with a detailed design process. It isn't just a simple button, it's a work of art. Designers sketch out several versions, focusing on size, shape, and the most crucial element, the play button logo that symbolizes YouTube. Every curve and line is carefully considered to ensure the button is visually appealing and represents YouTube's brand. The goal is to make sure the button feels like a trophy, a tangible, sleek, and modern reward that creators can proudly display. Selecting the right material. The silver play button is made from a combination of materials, but its shine comes from a layer of nickel-plated zinc alloy. Why this material? It's durable, lightweight, and gives that shiny silver look. The process begins with cutting the zinc alloy into the shape of the iconic play button. Each piece is carefully molded and polished to perfection. Interesting fact: did you know that each button goes through multiple rounds of polishing to get that perfect shine? It's all about making sure the button looks flawless, reflecting the hard work of the creator it represents. The manufacturing process. Once the materials are ready, the real magic begins. The zinc alloy is melted and poured into molds shaped like the play button. After cooling, each piece is carefully removed and polished to ensure it has a smooth finish. This is a meticulous process. Every detail counts. Workers then apply a nickel-plated finish to give the button its glossy, reflective look. Each step in this process is carefully monitored to maintain high standards. Did you know? It takes about 72 hours to complete just one silver play button from start to finish. The engraving process. Next comes the engraving. Each silver play button is personalized with the channel name, a process that requires incredible precision. Advanced laser engraving machines etch the name onto the metal surface, ensuring the text is clear and durable. The laser engraving process is so precise that it can carve out letters just a fraction of a millimeter deep. This ensures that the text won't fade or wear away over time, a permanent mark of achievement. Every engraving is checked to make sure it meets the highest quality standards. No detail is too small when celebrating such a big milestone. Ensuring perfection in every button. After engraving, the buttons go through a rigorous quality control process. Each button is inspected by hand for any imperfections. Scratches, dents, or uneven surfaces, they don't make the cut. If a button doesn't pass inspection, it's sent back for reworking. YouTube wants every button to be perfect because it knows how much these awards mean to the creators. It's not just a button. It's a symbol of countless hours of hard work and dedication. Fun fact: some buttons even go through X-ray checks to ensure there are no hidden flaws. Packaging and shipping. Once a button passes all quality checks, it's time for packaging. Each silver play button is carefully wrapped to protect it during shipping. The packaging is designed to add to the experience of receiving the award. Alongside the button, A letter from YouTube CEO adds a personal touch, recognizing the creator's achievement. The moment a YouTuber opens that box is a moment filled with excitement and pride. And did you know? Every silver play button is shipped with a special tracking code, so creators can follow its journey right to their doorstep. Receiving a YouTube silver play button is a dream come true for many creators. It's a testament to their hard work, creativity, and connection with their audience. This button becomes a source of pride, a constant reminder of their journey and growth. It's not just about the number. It's about the community they've built and the impact they've made. For many, the button symbolizes more than success. It's a motivation to keep going, creating, and inspiring. What's next for creators? So, what happens after getting the silver play button? Many creators set their sights on the next milestone, the gold play button, awarded at 1 million subscribers. But the journey doesn't stop there. For creators, every day is a chance to connect with their audience, share new content, and reach new heights. The silver play button is just the beginning of an incredible journey filled with passion, creativity, and endless possibilities. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how the YouTube silver play button is made, from concept to reality. It's more than just a shiny piece of metal. It's a symbol of dedication, creativity, and the power of community. So next time you see a creator unboxing their silver play button, you'll know the story behind that special award and the hard work that it represents. What milestone are you working towards? Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and maybe one day you'll be holding your own silver play button.